GYC-ENT. Kicking it back, now guess who's back, reppin' that 676. It's the Doka from the 40 with the naughty type of mix. Ever since December the 10th, 2001, from taking my first breath to making y'all my sons. Haha, when it's all said and done, I'm the king. You can take me out of Guildford, but the 40 stays within. If you know, then you know, it's a family thing. Got the youngins on the come up and we all down to win. So we all going in, name a better team. Just some Doka Usovitis here to fulfill a dream. Throw it up if you keen, if not, don't intervene. Check out the routine, putting in work by any means. Yeah, better keep the same energy when I see ya. On the fito, on the shana, hala, ilifia. Oh wow. And as I'm getting older, 2161, it's the youngest taking over.
We gon' show the world how we run through what we do. Cause you know that we coming through.
Coming through, GYC-ENT, and you know we coming through.
We gon' show the world how we run through what we do. Cause you know that we coming through.
Coming through, GYC-ENT, and you know we're coming through. I've been screaming out, say your FTP. You niggas on the road, so you better find me. I always hold it down for the G4D. I'm a